So now the baking is finished, and we can use those bakes, those maps that it baked later on to our advantage. So it baked us, there's something on the normal map. It's funny. For example, ambient occlusion. So there's this like shadow-like darker areas. Curvature, which is really important. So we have a map that says where the sword is curved. Position. This is also quite handy. So, and thickness. Well, you might use this also. So now that we have this baked, these maps, we can use those with our materials. Okay, so I go back to the material view, and now let's continue to the emissive lights, or the emissive blade. And for that, we need to, in the texture set settings, we need to first enable the channel. So we now have the channels base color, height, roughness, metallic, and normal active. So we just add a 6th channel here. So press on the plus, and now find the emissive, something that emits light. And now it's enabled. And now when I go to the blade, Command Alt right click, it jumps to that texture set. And go to the layers and check the plastic glossy pure, whichever material you have. Maybe I'll create a new one. So go here and add a new fill. So now it has a new fill color. Now when I check my material, it still has color, height, roughness, metal, and normal. And that's because I enabled the emissive in another texture set. So this is texture set settings. So this is only for one material at a time. So I need to add the emissive also here on this blade. So click on the plus on the channels and put on the emissive. And now when I check the fill colors or the fill layers properties, I'll bring it here. I can now see that it has possibility for color, height, roughness, metalness, normal, and emission or emissive. And now if I want the emissive to be on this fill color, I click on emissive. So now it's enabled on this gray blade, or this gray color on the blade. Then I need to scroll down to the emissive settings, because here are the materials, and then they are listed here which are active, and after that they are listed here all their features. So first of all, the color, height, roughness, metallic, normal, and a new addition there, the emissive color. And then I failed and clicked on a human skin. So just a moment, I'll put this away and remove the fill and add a new fill here. Okay, so now it's gray. Now when I have it active here, I can see the color of the emissiveness here. And the problem is that it's now black. And black is not color, like we cannot have black lights. So we need to change this to be some kind of color, which is not black. So I put it like to reddish, like this. And now I can already see the effect here so that it emits red light a bit. After that, I need to see how we view the emissive color. So now it's on and it's red, and now I need to change how the view is for the emission or emissive color. First, I'll go to the shader settings here on the right. Put on the emissive intensity a bit. So emissive intensity, shut that down. And then I need to go to display settings. And then I'll scroll down a bit, activate post effects, and put on the glare. And now it actually affects how it renders here it's in Substance. It's a bit much, so I'll open the glare and change the glare, how the glare works. And now I can also go to the emissive intensity and change that also. So whichever I found once. So that's quite like complicated because I'll go through it again. So it was first have a fill layer, then enable the channel for emissive from the plus, then go to the properties of the color of the fill color, enable emissive color here, scroll down, change it to be something else than black, then go to whichever first, display settings, activate post effects, and activate glare, and then you can change it in the emissive intensity. So quite complicated workflow there. But that's how you add channels if you need those. And this is not the most useful thing to have, the emissive color, because it's not that we cannot use that straight away in another program, the emissive. But it's nice for rendering our lightsaber. Let's just save open the other one. And after I have done those, I want a render from here, and that could be done from the rendering button here. And these were covered on another video.